Uh-oh. What have you done now? Told y'all niggas. Just don't listen. Why must you be hard-headed? Tried to explain, but you didn't hear me though. Now, now, I must like you. I must. But I want to. One, two, come through, run through. Gun who? Oh, you don't know what the gun do? Some do, those that know are real quiet. When you think you wanna try it, fuck around and start a riot. Niggas gon' buy it, regardless, because I'm the hardest rap artist, and I'ma start this shit up for real. Get up and feel my words. I make herbs spit up and squeal. It's all I've been hearing lately. Niggas hate me, wanna duct tape me and make me